what you had all at once. Now he has to give it to you in seasons. And you wondering why you being stretched right now.
Yeah.
You wonder why you couldn't sleep. You wonder why you frustrated. You wonder why I'm walking, I'm serving God. How in the world am I going through what I'm going through? Come here, son, real quick. This is your business. This is your house. This is your wife. Let me give you two of them. This is your car. You can't. Okay. You can't. As a man, you can't handle the glory of God.
Yeah.
Without being stretched.
Yeah. Jesus.
How in the world is he going? This is God. How in the world is he going to deposit what you left if he does not stretch you?
Jesus.
So you being stretched for